question's been asked if this has been faked. My view is that it's not. And if you look, it seems to be a rainy day. And there seems to be turbulence with this flight, with this airplane. And it's not a big jet, it's a regional jet that's pretty small actually. And they have less stability. So if it's rainy and there's wind, it makes sense that there's difficulty. So you see the first impact. There. And you see the water. The water as it hits the runway there on one wheel. And then it taps down to hit the other wheel. You see there. The other wheel. Right there. And then you see the third wheel in the front right there. And then it has stability problems, so it's lifting back up. But you see the water trailing back. And then it makes impact again with water. And yet again with the water on the runway. And again. Till it comes to rest. But I would argue that it looks, to my eyes, authentic. It may look awkward as sort of a bounciness, and as to whether someone added effects, I don't know. I mean, it's normal that there be a flight, an audio feed from the tower. As to whether the screeching sound somebody added, that's possible, but as to the actual video itself, it looks authentic to me. I can't imagine that this was faked, because the degree of exactitude that would be needed to create the trailing of the water in each impact would be extremely hard to do, with the timing of each of them as well, to get the angle of the splashing in the instant of a second and to have it trailing as it does. So I'm going to go back again and play it in real time.
This is Case Blocker.
So that's my call. I think I called